Hello, Hilltop. Thanks for clicking the last tile in today's hockey lesson. Well, we're talking about air hockey now. Have you ever seen air hockey where there's little holes in the table and the table actually pushes air up through them and that helps the disc move across the table? Well, there's a way that you can play air hockey at home just like I showed you now, and it's using Tupperware containers. So all you would need is 2 Tupperware containers, one for you and one for the person you're playing against on the opposite side of the table. And you would keep these same bumpers up. Again, you probably don't have balance beam bumpers at home, but you could use like rolled up towels or some clothes that you have rolled up and you put them along the side of the tables, and that'll keep your air hockey discs on the table, and they can only fall off if they go through the goal on the opposite side. So if you noticed, I was using just the lids for the Tupperware containers as my air hockey disc. So these, let me try this by myself, is if you want to flip the lid over so the top part that would normally be on the outside of the food, flip it upside down and it'll slide better because it's more rounded. So you see how when you hit it, it glides across the table pretty easily? So you would have one person on this side that hits it, and the other friend tries to hit it back. Ah! And if it gets past and falls off your end of the table, it's 1 point or 1 goal for the other person. Now you can take turns in this game if there's more than 2 people, or you could have 2 people on each end playing. Another way you can mix it up is, see what I did is I have 2 different shaped lids. So the round lid and the squared lid, so they just react different when they get hit. You might notice that the square lid will spin more if it gets hit on a corner. You could maybe, even if you got a big enough table, have 2 of these discs going at once. So it's just fun to keep score if you'd like to, and play a little air hockey. So I'll show you how to hold it. You put one hand on top, and you can freely slide the container around. Remember, you want to flip the container facing down, and then you want the lid, the part that's normally exposed pointing up, flip that upside down, and you want to push forward with your whole hand. Again, you could change this game by maybe using the hand that you don't do all of your work with, and you'll see how fast they go. Pew! Pew! And then the friend I'm playing tries to hit it back to me. So it's like you're blocking from having it come off to your end, but then you're pushing it forward to try to knock it over on their end. So I hope these skills for practicing floor hockey, playing table hockey, and lastly playing air hockey are some fun ways for you to learn how the sport of hockey is played. I hope you enjoy these activities, and remember you can practice these anytime by accessing our videos on Hilltop Elementary Physical Education YouTube channel. Please answer the questions at the end of this Otis lesson, and we'll see you on Flex Friday. Go Hawks! Bye everybody!